Hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. My name is Ben. Today we want to take a look at the Link chart. Link has performed quite well in recent weeks, and I think it's worth taking a look at the Chainlink chart. And yeah, we don't want to lose any time. Let's go. Okay, we are on the Market Intel website, dailymarketupdate.com. You can see here the different sectors that we cover. For example, cryptocurrencies, stock market, the NASDAQ. If you register for free on the website, you can get all these updates for free. Follow the link in the description. Let's click on our crypto section and we can then select Chainlink. So we take a look at the 2-day chart first. It gives you a good idea of the long-term chart, of the context, overall, bigger picture, long-term targets, and then we can take a look at the shorter time frame wave count. Let's go to the 2-day chart. We'll hide the text, and here you can see the overall, the context, the bigger picture. You can see here this chart in which the chart formed a wave 1 in 2021. This was the first larger wave of this overall uptrend on the Link chart. Then a wave 2, this was our bear market. There was this, I don't know if you remember, this extremely long range in which Link has been moving. I think it was more than a year here from 2022 into the end of 2023 lows. I think actually, no, it bottomed in June, but really breaking out of this range, that didn't happen until I think October, November last year. And the price could indeed be now in this third wave rally to the upside. You can see it here as a potential target area. This is for a long-term target third wave rally, and it's very difficult to say how long it will take for the price to get there, but this is the third wave. I explained it in previous videos already that for Elliott-Wave traders it is usually very interesting to get into a position in a wave 2 pullback. Now that can be a smaller degree pullback, a smaller pullback in a larger uptrend. It could be the main pullback like the bear market before a large rally starts, or it can be a mix of both, but the third wave is typically the strongest wave in a cycle, and that's exactly what we are dealing with right now. And I think it might just be about to start. Bear in mind that the third wave also consists of 5 waves. So it's entirely possible that we completed here a wave 1 and a wave 2 pullback. And we could be starting the third wave of the third wave, which is the most aggressive rally in any trend. So I suggest that before we go to the 4-hour chart, let's just figure out what the key resistances are. We've got $38.65 on this chart. This is the B wave high, and then obviously the all-time high will be critical resistance as well. But if this really is a third wave, those resistances, yeah, they might stop the price temporarily, but really the price should break through these resistances and we should see a rally towards $100 at least in the third wave, possibly even higher. So before we go to the 4-hour chart, the shorter time frame, don't forget that you can let me know in the comments which cryptocurrency or stock or other asset you want me to cover in one of the future videos. Also, if you really like the content, please leave a like and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much. So now let's go to the 4-hour chart. Here you can see the more detailed wave count. So you can see that the market formed a 5-wave rally into the February-March highs. Yeah, so this is all a corrective structure that unfolded from this February high. So blue wave 1, top tier, and then we have this corrective structure in magenta wave W, which is a flat structure. Then a magenta X wave, and then the Y wave here to the downside, which actually might have bottomed with a truncation. There are other ways of labeling this. Truncation is probably a good way of doing it, given that this structure to this swing low that happened in April at $11.96 looks fairly incomplete. So it fits quite well, this truncation. Truncations are only valid in exceptional circumstances. So if we really get a surge from here, that's a good way of dealing with it. And there was one of our trading areas. This has been grayed out. A grayed out trading area means you can adjust your stop losses, take the risk out. If we break down again, doesn't matter, because anybody who wanted to enter here for a pullback trade likely used the trading area anyway, and the market moved out of this support area already and moved away from it quite substantially. So the next resistance that needs to be broken now to rally further in this blue wave 3 is the $20.85 level. Important would be that we don't break below $11.96 anymore. Yeah? That would trigger the alternative, which we assign a 33% likelihood. Now, that would not necessarily be bearish. bearish, but it would mean that this wave 2 never finished. Also, we took a look at our analytics, and it's apparent that most of you who are watching these videos are actually not subscribed to the channel. So if you want to be notified about future videos, future content, please subscribe and also activate the notification bell. Then you get notified about all future videos. Thank you very much. So overall, a pretty bullish perspective on Link short term, in which on the short term chart, this wave 2 could indeed have bottomed exactly in the trading area, but also medium to long term. It's just a matter of, do the last swing lows hold? If they do, because the structure is already in place, then we could really see a rally very, very soon, very, very shortly actually, in this third wave to $100. Don't expect this to happen in a straight line. It won't. There will be ups and downs, the breathing in, breathing out of the market, and it can also take some time. Hopefully you liked the update about Link. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, subscribe, register on our website. That would be great. Have a great day. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.